Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Tarot Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss Tower card, 16th number card of the Major Arcana. Tower, when you see the card, it looks very scary. This is a tower and people are falling apart from the tower. The lightning has come and this tower's head, the crown has gone. So earlier we had learned during the death card, death was the internal and tower is the external. So this is also a chaotic situation it shows, but it will be done by the outer force, external force. So what is this tower card? Tower card, I would say it's a ego check card. You have to see whenever it happens, you are showing you are very powerful and all that. You will start showing your ego, your attitude. You will start hurting people with your authority, power. This external force will come and disturb you. So balance is necessary. So it is a ego check card. Why I say that? Because there is nothing the hand of man can create, because there is nothing the hand of man can create that the hand of God cannot destroy. Here you see this lightning is coming from the outside. Might be it is done by the universe, it might be done by the divine, right? So the man are creating this, they might have designed this tower, a strong tower. Someone must be ruling on this tower. This is a crown, this shows the authority. But God is having the divine power to destroy. Man is not having this kind of, man is not much stronger than the divine, I would say. Here the lightning strikes it and the crowning achievement of mankind is torn. See, it is out, while both it designer, could be one person has designed this whole that thing, the tower, everything, and one person will be the ruling on that. So both the designer and the emperor, one person could be the ruling, the emperor, are thrown from this height. See how they are just falling apart, falling down. So this is the power card. How it is a power card? If you will be showing too much of power, if you will show you are the super powerful person, then something will happen from the universe, something shall be done by the divine and everything will fall apart. So nature is stronger than the mankind. If mankind is trying to do something against the nature, so this is going to be the condition of them, how they are falling apart and how the pathetic situation has become. So this is the tower card it shows. When this comes in a reading, always it shows a loss, major loss shall be done by the external factor only. Sudden loss you may get, relationship issues. It is basically a loss card, and it shows ego check also I have earlier discussed. So it shows please have a check on your ego and attitude also. Don't be very much proud of that. Don't create negativity with your achievement. So this is what this tower card shows. It is ruled by Mars. So Mars effect, you know that when Mars will attack on you, your condition is going to be very bad. This shows the accident also, some loss, accident while driving the car or accident while you are just on the road. This card shows actually a loss, so you need to be very very careful. So this is what the tower card shows. If you like the meaning, please let me know, comment below. Please like and subscribe the channel so that I can come up with more detailed meaning of each card, and you will be able to know what each card is how different layers each card is carrying, and you will be getting a different kind of meaning also, right? So till the time, bye bye.